The way things actually are matters. The way things actually are has authority over you. Your life has a point. Your life has a purpose.
No one shaped him. He's not made out of anything more basic. It's not like there's like this God stuff, and then he was molded into the God that he is. He just is.
Are you choosing your friends wisely? He's already started in the first 6, 7 verses of Proverbs, reminding you that the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom, but he tells us basically about young people, they have 5 characteristics. They are by nature unwise, or you wouldn't need this kind of wisdom.
You were made to work. You were made to accomplish things. You were made for action. You were made for the game. We were made for dominion. We were made for mission. We were made to create, invent, discover, build, paint, all these things.
You have to cut through the anarchy of thought. And in order to do that, you have to have a place to stand, and you have to know how to reason. Straighten out your thinking, get oriented, figure out which direction is north, and then go for it.